We do have another pier that's going there. You want to get to digging?
That sounds dreamy. All right, James gonna get some eyewear, and I'll give you a quick update. This is a very real house with a very real owner who's really upset because no bueno, a lot of water damage. We're putting in piers on the outside. That's where the problem is. It's under, out of sight, out of mind, but not today. How deep does this thing go?
You have a good start right now. What I would do if I were you, stand on one of the sides and start taking out up here.
Yeah. What freaks people out, man, is that it's out of sight. Once you know that foundation was built on sand or is a crumbly mess, you're not gonna have any peace.
No.
You are taking a little too long, so I think we're gonna get over here and try to push that other one.
Look, I don't want to say this the wrong way, but thank you.
Oh, yeah.
I was honored to start your hole, and I'll let you finish.
Definitely.
This is the sleeve and starter. That's where we need to get started.
So this right here, did I explain to you what this is?
No, he didn't. He just handed it to me and said, take it.
Okay. So this top part here, this black piece you're seeing, it's called a sleeve. And the inner tube is called a starter pipe. When you're sending the rest of those tubes in there, it gives it a backbone to prevent any slippage coming back out. So what I need to do is get both of these low enough, that way when I put this piston back on, it's fully underneath the part that sends it.
Right. So these starter pipes are going to allow the piston to drive it into the ground.
Yes, sir.
And then another pipe, I assume.
Right, and then we keep adding pipes.
You just keep adding pipe?
Yep.
How many pipes will you add?
We have to go until we hit a certain pressure. If we don't hit that pressure, these pipes will continue to sink, so therefore their foundation will continue to settle with it.
So you could, who knows?
Yeah.
5, 6?
It could take 2 pipes, it could take 20. We don't know.
Hold on, hold on.
Not quite, my bad.
Back up a little bit. All right.
Okay, slow.
Go down slow.
Not that slow.
Go down slow. Got it? Okay.
Got it, good.
Perfect, good. Go ahead.
Nice. You're getting it now.
I'm getting it.
You're
good,
getting it.
good. And really, all of this could be avoided.
Yes and no. So
I know what you're going to say.
The moment water gets to the foundation,
Right.
you start to run the risk of this happening.
Even
So-
if the builder was perfect.
Even if the building was perfect, yeah.
So it's fair to say that a house is only as sturdy as the foundation upon which it's built. And it's
You can say that.
It's fair to say that Groundworks exists because many houses are not built on a firm foundation, but have rather succumbed to the second law of dynamics.
Yeah.
Right.
So it's the soil that's eroding away, causing those cavities, those voids that the foundation then wants to settle into.
And then you guys with your superhero capes show up and fix everything.
Yes, sir. That sounds about right.
I made it sound a little easier than it is. All right.
All right.
That was great fun. For foundation repair, go to groundworks.com/Rowe and subscribe for more Go Below with Rowe content every week.